Fig trees are renowned for all of this suckering growth, and it's a good idea to remove them for a few reasons. One, they make the tree messy, meaning it can be harder to access your fruit. Two, they can act as highways for pests to travel from the ground to the soft tips in the top of the tree. And three, they rob energy from the tree, meaning it will affect the quality of your crop. So when you cut off your cuttings, don't throw them away. Fig trees root really easily, as you can see from some of these suckers that have come into contact with the ground. They're already sending down roots. So if you're a first-time gardener or propagator, try it out on fig suckers. You have great success. All you have to do is make sure that your cuts are flush off the main trunks or the main roots, like that. And make sure your cuts are clean. And then you just need to keep your suckers out of the sun and they're ready to pot up. Well, I've got all my gear and I've selected 3 different suckers that you might encounter on your own tree that'll all take good cuttings. The first one is a thin, soft yet strong growing tip. The second is a longer one, but it's got roots on the base of it. And lastly, what resembles a truncheon cutting. Well, basically a thicker cutting. Figs don't mind a bit of competition, so I'm going to put 3 decent sized cuttings in one pot. Now, normally people will fill their pot up, put a dibble stick in to make a hole, and then put their cutting down. I don't like to do this with these larger cuttings because they've got roots, and if I did that, there's a possibility that I damage the roots on the way down through the soil. So I like to fill my pot up to about 1/3. Make little holes. I'm going to just lay them in and secure them, and then just backfill. Now the smaller cutting can go in, because that has no roots. Drive that down. So it's about half exposed out of the top. Give the pot a couple of taps, and a refill, and another good tap. Water it in, and you got figs.